Hey everybody, long time no see. I'm so glad to be back. It's been a minute and we just gonna leave it at that. But I am back and I am coming to you this morning, this beautiful Sunday morning with a clean with me. Today we are getting my living room together. As you can see, we are deep cleaning my space and trying to make sure that we are getting ready for the upcoming summer months. The spring has been a little tough on you, girl. The pollen is ridiculous. But with that being said, we're just now getting it all cleaned up and we are working to get our home together. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. So on this particular day, I decided to go ahead on and open up the windows now that I know how to, and I wanted to make sure I cleaned the outside as well as the inside of each window here in the downstairs area. And I wanted to leave it open to get some fresh air and air out the area. My home has it doesn't stink, but you know how your home has been stuffed up for so long where there has really been no fresh air coming in. That's how I feel. So I wanted to make sure it was thoroughly aired out. So on this particular day, this is Saturday. You guys are seeing this early Sunday morning, but this was Saturday when I did all of this cleaning. And what I was trying to do was I was making sure that each window was cracked, and I left it that way until about 9 p.m. that evening. This way the house could be aired out really well, and I also burned a candle in the end, which you will see as well. But I wanted to make sure that I cleaned each window. I want to start making sure I clean my windows probably once a month. I've been really bad about this in the past, and I really probably only cleaned the back sliding door and the front glass door, but not really the windows. I think the last time I actually cleaned the window sill was probably last year, right when the summer was ending, and I want to be better about that. And surprisingly, my window sills were not actually really dirty either. So there was not like a lot of buildup or crud. So I was pretty happy about that. But it is what it is. But today I'm also changing out my curtains. I've had up my winter curtains all year long. Not all year long, but I've had up my winter curtains up until this point, and I figure, okay, we're at June 1st. I need to go ahead and put up my summer curtains. So these curtains will be up. They are not necessarily sheer, but they have a just a the sun can come through them, but not so much. I hope that makes sense. So they're not sheer, but they're not dark out or blackout curtains like I like during the fall and winter months. So these are perfect for my home for the downstairs, and I only have these downstairs. I don't have these upstairs. So I love these curtains, and I'm putting these up in my living room area, and then this way we have it. To me, the room feels open and more. The sun comes through when I get up in the morning, when my husband gets up in the morning. It just feels more open and not closed in with the blackout curtains. I hope that makes sense. So I'm really happy to be able to get my curtains up. Like, you guys don't understand, for the last couple months, whereas this would have been completed probably in April, I've really been in a funk and haven't been doing anything. So I'm really glad to get this video out for you guys. So as you can see, I still have winter decor up. When I tell you all I haven't done anything, I haven't done anything. I've been focused on just school. My son graduated 8th grade this year. So, we've been focused on his last year of middle school. And I've been focused on my mental health as well. That has been really important for me. I've been struggling with some things. And I would like to say that depression is real. And I feel like that has been part of my issues. But, you know, I want to say that I am seeing a therapist. So I'm coming out of it and I am dealing with my trauma. But at the end of the day, we all have to do what's best for ourselves and our family. And so YouTube was not a priority for me. It is something that I love to do, but when it's not conducive to my lifestyle or what's best for me at the time, then I have to let it go. But I don't know, I'm back, and so I hope to be back for a while. All right, you guys. So this video is actually coming to an end. I hope that you all enjoyed this video this morning. I hope that it gave you some motivation to get started with some cleaning in your home. I hope that you also got some motivation to just get some decorating going if necessary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Real quick, I just wanted you guys to see all the blackberries that I have right outside my window. It is so many. I can't wait for them to ripen up so we can eat them, and I could probably make a blackberry dumpling.